Did you know you can drill holes automatically with your fourth axis? Let's take a look. Drilling holes with your fourth axis is extremely easy to do using our cross-drilling drill cycle. So we'll go to Mill Drill Hole, we'll go to Select Geometry, and then we're going to change our drill cycle from a standard drill cycle to a cross-drill cycle. Now we will need to define the axis of rotation. In this setup, our x-axis is the axis of rotation, and then we can select our model and choose OK. BobCAD will automatically find the holes that are along the outside diameter of your part that intersect with your axis of rotation. We can compute, and you can see it's just that easy to drill holes using your fourth axis. To learn about tips and tricks using BobCAD, call us today or subscribe to our channel for next week's tip. See you then!